Okay. Hi, I'm Heather. I'm from Colorado. I came up to Florida actually, from the island of St. Croix. That's where I ended up hitting my bottom, and I came to Florida House scared. I had reached the end of my rope. I had been out there addicted and an alcoholic for about 17 years. I learned a lot about myself at Florida House, things I never thought I could experience, things that I was afraid to face about myself. I learned a lot of honest truths. I worked with a lot of really good people. I did some things I never thought I could do, and I started living life soberly. I've been sober now for 10 months, and I owe it all to Florida House. It was the first institution I went into, the only one hopefully forever, and they turned my life around. It's been an amazing experience. I'm now involved with the alumni. I really enjoy giving back. We do things like Habitat for Humanity, some Relay for Life, some things, just all sorts of extracurricular activities that help us give back to the community in a way that we can stay active and, you know, helping another alcoholic is what it's all about. I found my higher power at the Florida House. I found a lot of good friends, and I'm living happy, sober, and free for 10 months now. Thank you.